Welcome to the 2022 MakeX Robotics Competition. MakeX Challenge Energy Innovator. MakeX Challenge is a confrontational competition program. The competition is held between the red and the blue alliances. Each alliance consists of 2 teams and they must cooperate to complete certain missions. The size of the map in the Energy Innovator arena is 2,985 millimeters by 4,185 millimeters, and it is divided into red and blue sides. Robots of both sides can only operate within their own side of the arena. The size of the robot shall conform to technical requirements. The maximum size of the robot shall be 500 millimeters by 500 millimeters by 700 millimeters in length, width, and height. There are 4 starting areas in the arena. Robots start the match from their respective starting areas. The whole match lasts for 280 seconds, which consists of an automatic stage, a manual stage, a modification stage, and a final stage. During the match, the robot can score through the following actions. Mission 1. Within your own alliance side, connect the yellow balls from the energy utilization station and shoot down the pins on the opponent's side. Mission 2. In the central area of the arena, sort the cubes from the new Energy Data Collection Center to your own side. Mission 3. Place or stack the cubes in the new Energy Data Computing Center on your own side. Mission 4. Insert the cube into the new Energy Data Storage Center on your own side. Mission 5. Transport the pins to the energy recycling area on your own side. Mission 6. Hang your team's flag on the flagpole in the flag hanging area on your own side. Mission 7. Collect the alphabet cubes with letters M, A, K, E, and X to your own alliance side. The 30 seconds automatic stage begins. The robot can complete missions 1, 2, 3, 4, and 7. The 100 seconds manual stage begins after the automatic stage. The robot can complete missions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7. The 60 seconds modification stage begins after the manual stage. Contestants can move the robots in the starting area out of the arena for modification. After the modification, the length and width of the robot shall conform to the technical requirements, while the height has no limit. At the end of the modification stage, the 90 seconds final stage begins. The robots can perform all missions. At the end of the competition, robots on both sides shall stop immediately. The scores of Energy Innovator will be calculated according to the final state of the scoring props. And the scores of the props are as follows. In the renewable energy area, each valid pin is worth 25 points. In the energy recycling area, each valid pin is worth 20 points. In the data storage center, each valid cube is worth 30 points. In the data computing center, each valid cube is worth 15 points. Except for the data storage center and the data computing center, each valid cube on your own side is worth 5 points. On your own side, collect the alphabet cubes with letters M, A, K, E, and X to complete the MakeX challenge and get an extra 150 points. In the flag hanging area, each valid flag is worth 50 points. The alliance with higher points wins. Welcome to the 2022 MakeX Challenge Energy Innovator.